Okay, it's Wednesday, July 31st, just following up on Caterpillar. It's working its way higher towards the highs of the day. I bought it on this red to green move as described on the first video, kind of at this lower blue line here at 344.55 area. It's now worked up. I just scaled out at 346. So again, bought the stock here, Caterpillar 344.55, just scaled out at 346, about a point and a half higher. As it works up towards the highs of the day, we have a little bit of a selling tail here. So we'll see, if it kind of meets a little resistance right here, but overall could be working up towards the highs of the day. I like it in the big picture. I described on a previous video. Here's the 15-minute chart bar at the blue line on this red to green move, expecting it to take out the highs of the day. I like the way I had it on watch here. On the weekly chart, we had the weekly kind of hammer bar that looked to be heading higher from last week. We came down and now we're starting up again. The daily chart gave us a kind of a 2 down, 2 up type of day within this weekly hammer bar that, you can see taking out the highs of that before this week's over. So I like coming into the day looking for the setup. We gapped up today, and then when we gap up, I like looking for that red to green kind of pullback. Here's the red to green pullback to buy it. That should start working towards the highs of the day. On a 2 up day, we have this other target up here, which is in the 350 area. And on the weekly chart, after that kind of reversal, we get kind of expecting continuation higher, even though we started the first 2 days down a little bit. But that set up kind of a watch list on this stock to see if it would kind of move above the midpoint of the prior day, which it did. And the gap up, I like, like I said, when I see a gap up, I kind of wait patiently and see if we get kind of the red to green move many times. And that's what's unfolding here. So I'm scaled out, set up an orders trade, next target up here, and no risk right now to see if we can kind of start working up towards the highs of last week.